Hello, and welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the Quick Picks page. Wondering what the Quick Picks does? It's a fast and easy way to find potential deals using the Tactical Arbitrage database. This feature is available on all plans that include the Online Arbitrage tier. To get started, simply click on Quick Picks from the left sidebar menu. The first thing you'll notice is the Sourcing From option. This is where you can choose the country from which you want to source deals. Then, you will see the Selling On option, where you can select the marketplace where you sell the products. This option is based on the country you selected on the Sourcing From, but if you choose Amazon US, you can then choose between Walmart, Target, and eBay. Please note that you can only source and sell on the same marketplace using Quick Picks. Check our product search feature if you'd like to do cross-border arbitrage. Next to the Selling On menu, you'll see the Filter By selection. Once clicked, there's a pop-up page where you can add your store and Amazon filters, such as fees that might be taken into your profit and ROI calculations for other marketplaces. For example, if you want to apply in a 20% gross profit filter and a 100,000 sales rank filter, simply find the filters and apply them like so. Once you're all set, simply click Apply to activate the filters. After the results are loaded, they can be sorted by ascending or descending order based on the following criteria: gross profit, gross ROI, retailer and Amazon price, and the last time the data was updated. The last option in this section is the Show Graph part, where you can opt in or out of seeing product graph information. Now that the results are visible, you can examine the data and find your potential deals. To see more details, simply click on More Details. Here you should be able to see more data related to the products such as return after fees or Amazon category. You can also set a price alert by clicking on the bell icon to be alerted when a retailer price drops. If the retailer price is below your desired amount, or if the gross profit value is above your desired amount. If you ever find inaccurate information, you can report it by clicking the flag icon. Once submitted, the Tactical Arbitrage team will review and address the issue as quickly as possible. Lastly, there's a heart icon you can click to save a product and add it to a collection. On the collection page, you can rename the folder, add notes, download a spreadsheet, or delete the folder. From the main Quick Picks page, you can easily switch between Quick Picks, collections, and alerts to manage your searches. In collections, you'll find products you've saved, while alerts keeps track of the items you want to be notified about, whether it's a price drop or when something comes back in stock. And that wraps up our overview of the Quick Picks feature in Tactical Arbitrage. If you're looking for more sourcing strategies, feel free to join our customer coaching class. We'd love to help you take your skills to the next level. To register, click the free coaching classes prompt here. Check the available schedule and simply fill out your details to secure your spot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.